welcome back to 21 Days to Good Skin. Don't kill me. I was sick. I had fever yesterday, so I couldn't do it. I know you were messaging and asking me, where is today's recipe? So yes, I'm back. I look all chirpy, but that's because I'm on antibiotics. So I had a shoot in the morning, so the makeup, I will of course remove it. Let me know if you want me to show you my makeup removing routine. But today's ingredient is something I never thought I'll apply it on my face, but it's something that I love to drink, and that is green tea. We all know the benefits of drinking green tea. There are a lot of benefits of applying green tea as a face pack. It's an antioxidant. It works on your skin's texture, tanning, under eyes, puffy eyes, glowing skin. We need 1 spoon of green tea, which needs to be grinded. I've already grinded some in a mixie. We need 1 spoon of honey and 1 spoon of fresh curd. We're all gonna mix them together and make a paste. Guys, of all the recipes that I've tried till now, I think this is one of the nicest. My skin is super soft. It exfoliates awesomely, very gently. It has some cooling effect. I would love to know which has been your favorite ingredient till now.